Hey guys, Yoda Joe Skywalker here with another video. Time to do another unboxing. Today, we have Elite Squad Trooper from Bad Batch. So, let's crack this thing open and get to the review. Sorry guys, it might just take me a second. Just give me 1 second guys. Just gotta hold the camera up. No worries guys, no worries. I'll hold it. No, let me just get my cup. I use my cup as a base. Sometimes that always works, right? Okay, so let's use the cup as a base for it. Okay, sorry guys. Just took me a second to get it out of the box. Hope you guys are having a good day. We're about to crack this thing open. The case reads that these elite troopers, just like in the show, are here to disband the elite, here to take out the Empire's problems and do their thing. So we have, so it comes out of the box pretty easily. His blaster's pretty easy in hand. Alright guys, and here we have the Elite Squadron Trooper. His head pivots right, left, arms go out. Ooh, he's got ankle pivot, backwards, right, left. Ooh, he can bend his legs about that far. Pretty dope soldier, guys. So his articulation is pretty awesome. Definitely worth it. His gun slides into his hand pretty easily. And, alright guys, thanks for watching this Black Series review. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.